Hey guys, we're here today to add wireless charging to my Audi. Gonna put it right in the center console so I can put my phone down and charge it while I drive. So let's get to it. So what we have is in-bay, apparently QI is pronounced Qi compatible, in-bay wireless charging kit that I have currently fitted to the back of a plastic piece I had made to take out the ashtray and the cigarette lighter because I'm wiring it right into there. And what else I have is wire strippers, some plastic JB weld, a turkey baster. We'll get to that later.
Hold up. Don't listen to me. I'm older now. I'm wiser. I've matured. I've been in that bad as seen on TV ad. The turkey baster straight up just didn't work.
Oh, frick.
And I admit I can never paint inside the lines anyway. That's why I'm not an art student. I'm just terrible at it. But here we are now with an oral syringe, a new pack of JB Weld, and 5 whole minutes more experience than the last time I tried this. So let's get to it.
The radio comes out with the radio removal keys inserted in the bottom corners of the unit, or 2 screwdrivers that are pushed outwards. Or in my case, the clips are broken and I can just slide it out. Disconnect the wires and get that thing out of your way. I also lied and said that the bolts holding the faceplate are 10mm. They're actually 8mm. I also forgot to mention that a 4mm Allen key is required to take out the AC control unit. Man, I'm good at these. Once those 2 units are out, the clips are on the underside of the ashtray and can probably be pressed in while the whole center console is still in place. But don't tell past me that. I ended up taking the whole console off to flip it over and get those tabs out of there after unclipping the cigarette lighter. The reason I chose this area is that it's where I put my phone in the first place while driving. I can see the GPS and my phone in general down there. The cigarette lighter is also there as well. Now I lucked out. The front lighter on my A4 is on a constant feed from the battery, so I could immediately check if my connections were right. And they were. For once. The clips from this kit are fantastic. They just tap into the wire you want to use using only a slit in the coating, then the connections to the pad themselves clamp them down and in place. Very well done and thought out in my opinion. Now to seal it all off and make sure it stays in place, I have JB plastic weld. I love this stuff. JB weld has helped me in so many other odds and ends on my car, and the plastic weld fit the interior better than any of the other products because it dried black and not gray, so it blended in perfectly, even though I'm still not good at making lines. And there you have it. Wireless charging in a 90s automobile. It's pretty cool to have some modern tech in an old car, but it's an Audi, so it's kind of really awesome. But you can get this kit at ECS Tuning for about $50, and you kind of get really creative with where you want to put it, what you want to do with it. So I'd love to see if you guys have put anything like this, wireless charging, this kit, or whatever in your car. I'd love to have you guys send me those pictures at the Parking Lot Mechanic on Instagram. So just kind of see what you guys come up with, because I had my little method of doing it, but I'd love to see what you guys came up with. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.